2019 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, compass, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.